Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix low microphone volume on Windows 11. And for this we click right mouse click and we do sound settings. And then from here make sure that your microphone is selected, so the real microphone just right here on your input. And right now we can increase the volume by just dragging this button to 100 or whatever you like. So after this it will increase. So this is the first solution. Then after this we go to more sound settings. And then right here we go to your microphone. So let's see, that is the Yeti Classic. And then we do properties. Then from here go to levels, and then right here you can increase the level from your microphone. So you can decide how high it needs to be, and then after this click on apply and then do OK. So that is the second solution. Then right now we click this away and we search for device manager, and right now we go to our audio drive. So let's see, sound video, here it is. It's sound, video and game controllers, and here's the Yeti Classic. Do right mouse click and do update driver, search automatically for driver, and after this he is up to date. So after this we fix the problem for low microphone volume, and hopefully I could help you out with this video. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.